The benefits of sleeping with garlic under your pillow. Garlic is a popular ingredient in many cuisines throughout the world, and it has been used for hundreds of years. In this video, we will be talking about the benefits of garlic and why you should put a clove of garlic under your pillow for enhanced sleep. While it has long been used to season food, it has also been employed in a variety of folk treatments. Garlic is a multipurpose ingredient with many health benefits. Garlic has been used to flavor food, repel bugs, and even ward off vampires, according to legend. We do know, however, that garlic is a nutrient-dense food for whatever reason. It possesses a number of vital characteristics and can assist your health in a variety of ways. Garlic is a calorie-dense food, containing up to 100 calories per 100 grams. However, because no one consumes that much garlic, gaining weight just on garlic is practically impossible. Garlic contains both complex carbs and proteins, which help you improve both your physical and mental health. Vitamin B, sodium, potassium, and magnesium are among the vitamins and minerals found in garlic. It also contains a lot of allicin, a sulfur-based molecule. Infections, metabolic issues, and respiratory problems can all be treated with garlic. It is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatories, both of which are beneficial to cardiovascular health. It lowers cholesterol levels and regulates blood pressure in the body. It can also aid in the increase of blood flow in the body and the prevention of premature aging. It can also destroy germs more effectively than some medications. It can also aid in the reduction of fluid retention and inflammation in the body's tissues. Garlic has the ability to benefit almost every element of your body. I don't know why I'd put garlic under my pillow. This is an old family secret that has been passed down the years to help people sleep better. This is especially beneficial for those who have trouble falling asleep. The sulfur-containing components in garlic, as well as its powerful aroma, have a soothing impact and can help you get a better night's sleep. Garlic has a powerful aroma that can be tough to adjust to. Nevertheless, after a few days, you will become accustomed to it and will be sleeping so peacefully that you will not notice. Garlic also improves your effectiveness throughout the day and helps you recharge for the next day at night. Preparing a natural drink that will help you relax is another method to experience the benefits of garlic's ability to aid sleep. Ingredients: 1 glass of milk, 1 garlic clove smashed, 1 tablespoon of honey. Directions: in a saucepan, combine the garlic and milk and cook until boiling point. Allow boiling for 3 minutes before removing from heat and allowing to cool. Drink after adding the honey. For optimal benefits, drink it roughly 30 minutes before bedtime. Garlic is a great ally for your health and will treat sleep difficulties, in addition to being one of the best seasonings. Health is wealth. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.